Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a bold matte lipstick that combines high pigmentation with lasting power, you're in the right place today. Let's talk about the Wet n Wild Megalast Catsuit Matte Liquid Lipstick in Red Give Me Mocha. This isn't just any lipstick. It promises a lightweight formula with a smudge-proof, moisturizing finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. First off, the product's formula is pretty intriguing. It's advertised as being both lightweight and creamy, while still delivering that ultra matte finish that stays in place for hours. The texture is smooth on application, almost like a gloss, but as it dries, it transforms into a rich, high-pigmented matte that doesn't leave your lips feeling parched, which is key for any matte lip color. What I really liked about this lipstick is how easy it is to apply. The precision tip applicator lets you define the lip line perfectly without the need for a lip liner, which is always a bonus in my book. You can apply it directly to your lips for a bold color, or build it up for a deeper effect if you want to intensify that mocha red shade. In terms of wearability, I've tested this lipstick during some pretty demanding conditions. Whether it was sipping water or enjoying a meal, it held up remarkably well. There's no feathering or smudging, and the color stays true to its initial application. But while it promises to be moisturizing, after several hours I did notice a slight dryness. It wasn't unbearable, but something to keep in mind, especially if you have drier lips to begin with. Now, onto the pros and cons. On the plus side, the lipstick delivers a beautiful, rich color with minimal touch-ups required throughout the day. The lightweight formula is a standout feature. You almost forget you're wearing it. The precision applicator also makes it super easy to apply, and the staying power is impressive. But on the downside, while it's supposed to be moisturizing, it's not as hydrating as some other formulas out there. After a few hours, you may want to apply a lip balm underneath or on top if you're concerned about comfort. Let's talk about value for money. The Wet n Wild Megalast Catsuit Matte Liquid Lipstick is incredibly affordable compared to other high-end matte lipsticks. It offers great performance for the price, and while it's not a perfect 10 in terms of moisture, the long-lasting color and smudge-proof formula make it a worthwhile option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly matte lip color. If you're comparing it to other lipsticks in the same price range, I'd say it stands up pretty well. There are some similar products out there that may be a little more hydrating, but in terms of pigmentation and staying power, this one holds its ground. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. It's not the most luxurious packaging, but for the price, it's perfectly functional. The lipstick doesn't leak or dry out in the tube, and it's easy to apply every time. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had any direct experience, but Wet n Wild generally has a good reputation for customer service. They're responsive and known for offering hassle-free exchanges or returns if there's an issue with the product. Now, I'm not aware of any recent updates to the product, so I'll skip over that section. But if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options out there that offer similar performance at a comparable price. If you're more focused on hydration, I'd suggest checking out some of the more moisturizing matte formulas from other brands, but they will usually come at a higher price point. To wrap things up, the Wet n Wild Megalast Catsuit Matte Liquid Lipstick in Red Give Me Mocha delivers impressive pigmentation and staying power, with a lightweight feel that's comfortable for most of the day. While it's not the most hydrating formula out there, its performance and affordability make it a great option for anyone who wants a budget-friendly matte lip color that lasts. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.